Hello students, welcome to iSmart Technology. My name is Jogendra Bagdi. This video is about Q operations in programming C or Q in data structure. Here we can see in the figure Q block diagram. Here this is the array. What is array? Array is a group of element with the similar data type. Now students, in Q, here two pointer we can see, front pointer and rear pointer. Front is point to the first element of the list and rear is point to the last element of the list. Now students, if you want to insert a element in the list, so what you have to do, you have to increase the rear by 1, means rear equal to rear plus 1. Now students, if you want to delete the any element, so you have to increase the front pointer, so front equal to front plus 1. Okay, in Q students, it follows the first in first out FIFO operation and last in last out. Okay students, so now we have to focus on the program. Now students, here we can see has include str.h, has include stdlib.h, define max size 5. Students, here we have taken max size equal to 5. Okay, now here we have taken three methods: void insert, void delete and void display. These are the three methods. Insert method is used for insert the element, delete method is used for delete the element, and display is used for display the data. Now int front equal to -1, rear equal to -1. Now int q max size. What is the max size? Max size is 5, and here we have taken q array, q integer array. Now void main int choice, while choice is not equal to 4. Printf insert an element, delete, and second is delete the element, and third is display the q, and fourth is exit. So students, now scanf %d ampersand choice. Choice is a variable, it is an integer variable. So here we have used %d format specifier because integer use the %d format specifier. Now in switch case we have passed the variable choice. Now if the choice equal to 1, case 1 will be executed. If choice is 2, case 2 will be executed. Choice 3, case 3 is executed, and choice 4 means case 4 is executed. Now suppose students, we have entered 1, so choice value is 1, case 1 will be executed. Now insert method is called. In insert method, here we can see int item, printf enter the item, scanf %d ampersand item. If rear double equal to max size -1. Okay students, so here we can see that if the condition is true, so we can write down overflow. If the rear equal to max size -1, so we can say that q is overflow, you can't insert any element. Now if front equal to double equal to -1, logical and rear double equal to -1, so front equal to 0 and rear equal to 0. Okay students, now if else rear equal to rear plus 1. Okay students, so rear does not equal to max size -1, rear does not equal to -1, so we can say that rear equal to rear plus 1, so we can insert the element. Now after increment the rear pointer, rear, what we have to do, q rear item value will be stored in the q rear, so value inserted. Now again you have to go into the while loop. Again first is insert the element, second is delete the element, and third is display the element, and fourth is exit. Again students, if you have entered the 1, then again insert method is called, and you can easily insert any element in the queue. Now suppose students, if you insert the choice 2, in which case you have insert the choice equal to 2, case 2 will be executed, so delete operation is called. So delete, in delete method, here we can see integer item, if front double equal to -1 and front greater than equal to rear, printf underflow. If none of the element in the queue, then which element you can delete? So it is a underflow condition. Else item equal to Q front. So front position, Q front position will be stored in the item variable. If front double equal to rear, then we can say that front equal to -1 and rear equal to -1. Else what we have to do, students? Front equal to front plus 1. So we can delete the element and value is deleted. Now again, students, we have to go in the switch case. If you enter the display function, if you enter the case 3, so display method is called. For display method, here we can see integer I if rear double equal to -1, so printf empty q. Otherwise printing values are for loop I equal to front, I less than or equal to rear, and I plus plus. Printf %d q of I. I is what? We have to traverse the list through the front pointer to the end of the list, end of the array. Now students, again in switch case, if you enter the case 4, if you enter the choices equal to 4, so exit 0 function is called, so you can come outside the program. And each and every case we have used the break statement, so no further case will be executed. If you have entered any value except 1 to 4, so default case will be executed. Enter valid choice. Okay students, if you like this program, you can subscribe my channel. Now let's view to check the output. Okay students, so insert an element, delete an element, display the queue, and exit. So first of all, we have to one choice, insert the element, suppose 10. Then again we have to enter the first choice for insert the element 20. Suppose we have to insert, then again one number to insert the element 30. Okay students, now 3 is display the queue. Now we have to check 3 number. So here we can see the 10, 20 and 30. So 10 is a first element and 30 is a last element. So we can say that front point to the 10 value initially and 30 point to the rear point to the 30 value. Now students, if you want to delete an item, you have to enter second. Okay, so front equal to front plus 1 in deletion. So now we have to display the list. So we can see only 20 and 30 is remaining. 10 will be deleted. Okay, now students, if you want to exit from the code, you have to press the 4. Thank you. If you like this video, students, you can subscribe my channel.